So this one I pulled, that's where all the honey came from, was that one and this one so far. I haven't pulled any honey out of here. These girls were not really working hard enough that I should have been doing. But this one's getting filled with honey now. So I'll show you what are you doing a video?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So I'll show you what a frame of honey looks like.
Starting to.
This is gonna stir them up a little bit, but they'll be all right. Hey girl, it's all right. Daddy's here. Oh fuck. That's not good.
Oh, it's separated.
Yep. And things get old, and I haven't had these frames out in a while. So this is uncapped honey. They're starting to cap it a little bit. What I'm going to do,
Bring it in the sun.
is I'm going to move this frame, set this down here. I'm going to take a frame like this. That's more built out. I'm going to move it to the edge, because what they tend to do is they tend to build in the middle and then work their way out. Now this frame, let's pull this one out and show you. This one one's pretty well filled and capped, it looks like. We'll see once we get it out. But come on, you can do it. There we go. Okay, so this frame is built out and capped there, but not so much here. That's not completely. But once you bring the camera in here, if you can, and this frame, you can see is completely filled and capped. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this one all the way out to the edge. This will be the next hive that I extract from. It's all got nice spring honey in it. And you can see the bees are really docile.
Mm-hmm.
They're just really not causing any problems. And I'm going to take this frame and I'm going to set the unbuilt, they haven't even finished building comb out on this
Oh,
yet.
wow.
So I'm going to set that in here. Then I'm going to take this frame and set this up so that the capped side is out and the uncapped side is in.
Nice.
There we go. And we're going to take a look. I'm going to see if I can get this frame out. It's got to come out at some point anyhow.
Oh, that's the one that kind of separated.
Yeah, the
there
one
on
that pulled
on the
apart.
edge.
Yeah. You might be able to pop this out. Let's see. Here it comes. There it comes. Will you come up? Yes. Good. Okay. So this frame is that's fully capped, but that side's not. So I'm going to just turn this one around.
So all this stuff is built to
Yeah.
be interchangeable, so that way it's to essentially allow you to do this and kind of keep everything nice and even.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yeah, so these are called Langstroth hives. So this is where all the honey production takes place. There's brood down in these lower boxes, and they'll also do honey in there. So this one's pretty much ready to extract. What I need to do now since this one's full, I'm going to this. These girls have been pissed at me now because I took all their honey the other day. So these are all new frames. I think they've been working on building comb in here maybe.
Well, these ones are a little bit more agitated.
Yeah, they're definitely not happy. Alright, I think we're gonna, you know what, we don't need to. Makes it hard to handle. Easy girls. Yeah, alright. Back in there. Easy. Alright.
Ooh.
Oh, take a look at the front.
What's going on with that?
There's just too many bees in the hive.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, look at that. You can kind of see it from there.
Oh, you'd be alright. Just come over here. That's actually not too bad. I've seen them all the way up the entire box. Okay. So how can we send this video to somebody? Already full. So throw something super on. Alright, girls. Some smoke. There you go. There you go. No, they don't. It's funny, everyone thinks the smoke calms the bees, but it doesn't. What it does is they think that there's an issue with the hive, so they go back into the hive to try and save whatever resources they can because they think the hive's on fire.
They gorge themselves with honey, right?
Yep, exactly. Look at you girls. Holy shit. Look what you're doing. You're some good fucking bees, man. They are building out these brand new frames already. After having built out brand new frames.
How long ago?
Holy shit. They fucking... So I did this, I split this. This was out of number 1. I did this in May, early May. It was just a walk-away split, and they really took. And now they've got one super full of honey, and the second super built out and full of fucking honey. Holy shit. Oh my god, you guys are fucking amazing. Oh, nope, you're not that amazing. Never mind. I took the full and moved it up because they build up. So what I got to do is I got to pop this one off and take a look and see what they're doing in the lower super. Why that is. What are you doing?
So this is the one that used to be on the top. This is the one you extracted honey from already?
I haven't extracted any honey out of here. I was just amazed that they had actually built out all that comb and filled it with honey on a split like that already. This one, they're starting to build comb in here. This is super I just added. Just the other day. Actually, what I should do is I should give them some built comb too. I got 20 frames down there that have built comb on it. Yeah, they're like, man, what the fuck? Yeah, they're not really, they're not happy with the new foundation. But you know what, girls? You fucking gotta work with what you got. It's like, oh, I already did a full figure for you, douche. All right.